this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your camera is not simply working on your Android phone. So you can just go to your camera right here. If it shows up like a black screen or something like that, well, the first thing you want to do is just close all your applications. There could be a different application using your camera at the moment. So you can go to the switcher right here and just go to close all applications and just close everything down. And then you try your camera out again and just see if that's working. So you can also just go up to the top right, and I believe if we restart our phone right here, that will close all the applications too, and then you can start up your camera. Then let's go to settings, choose settings, scroll on down under here, and we want to go to apps. So let's go to apps right now. We can find it somewhere on here. Here it is, apps, and just locate your camera under here. And we gotta uninstall the updates and just clear the cache. So wait for this to load. My Samsung phone is really slow for some reason. And then we can go to the camera and we can find it right here. So you might have an option to uninstall the updates in the top right. Just click those three little dots, uninstall the updates. So I just did that so it doesn't show up when you already did it. Then we can go to permissions and just make sure you allow these permissions on here for your camera to use the camera. So if you see it under not allowed, that's probably not a good thing. So make sure you pretty much allow everything, except I don't like allowing my, it says location. Otherwise it'll post your current location on there. And then we can scroll on down and we're looking for storage now. So just find storage, clear the cache, clear the data right here. And then you can try launching this camera application one more time and just seeing if that works now. So it says change the storage location. Don't need to do that. Now another thing you just check out is the Google Play Store. Go to your profile in the top right. And we want to go to manage apps and devices right here. And check for updates. So there might be an update for your camera. Maybe your camera is updating under here, and that's why it's simply not working. So we can just go to update all. And I don't really see anything readily available under here. But just check that out. Maybe there's an update, it's updating and it's being used by this application. Probably very rare, but could happen. Check it out. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.